Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore deleted photos or videos on Instagram. Luckily, when you delete a video or photo on Instagram, you can actually bring it back if you want. To restore them, open your Instagram app, go to your profile, click on the hamburger menu, click on your activities, and click on recently deleted. Here, you're going to see the items that you have deleted recently. It will stay here for 30 days and be deleted permanently. If you want to restore them, you click on it. Click on the three dot menu at the top right corner and click on Restore. Click on Restore. It's going to ask for your confirmation. You can choose OTP or via email. After that, your post will be restored to your profile. So that's how you restore deleted items on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.